wash your hands, wash those germs away. Soap and water does the trick. Soap and water does the trick to keep them clean all day. To keep them clean all day. So our next rhyme is good manners. So let's do good manners. We say thank you, we say please, we say and oh no मैम ने wrong कर दिया. Let's do again good manners. Okay, are you ready? We say thank you, we say please and excuse me when we sneeze. That is the way we do what's right. We have manners and we polite. Fine. So do practice of all these rhymes with the actions and do learning every day. So now I am going to show you something. I am going to show something about our national symbols. So I am going national symbols. जो हमारे कंट्री के national symbols हैं. So let's talk about the national symbols. So can you please tell me which animal is this? So this is a tiger. So do you know which animal is the national animal? Which animal is the national animal? Yes, tiger is the national animal. Tiger is the national animal. So now I am talking about this bird. Can you please recognize this bird? Which bird is this? This is a peacock. Peacock is a beautiful bird with a beautiful different type of feathers. So that is why we call it the national bird. Peacock is the national bird. So now let's come to the fruit. Do you know which fruit is this? So this is a mango. Mango is the national fruit. Mango is the national fruit. So now this is our country's flag. This is our country's flag. Fine. So how many colors in the national flag? 3 colors. Saffron means orange, white in the middle and green at the last. 3 colors: saffron, white and green, and in between there is a round chakra. So this chakra is called Ashok chakra. Ashok chakra. And how many lines in this Ashok chakra? 24 spokes. These are not lines. These are called spokes. So this is our national flag. We should respect our national flag. And can you please tell me which picture is this? This is a flower and its name is lotus. It is pink in color and it grows in a water. So this is very beautiful flower and lotus is the national flower of India. So let's do recap. National animal tiger, national fruit mango, national bird peacock, national flag and national flower lotus. Okay. So now let's do one game with the sight words. So everybody please come and join with me. So here I have some flashcards in front of you. So let's play with the sight words. Let's play a game with the sight words. So look, these are the flashcards of the sight words. So let's play a game. So I have a box. इस बॉक्स के ऊपर कुछ डॉट्स हैं. Why? आपने कभी लूडो खेली है? लूडो खेलते हैं तो हमारे पास एक छोटा सा डाइस होता है. ऊपर डॉट्स बने होते हैं। तो ये एक लूडो का डाइस है, बट इट इज़ वेरी बिग इन साइज बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू शो यू इट क्लियरली. सो दिस इज अ डाइस. सो लेट्स प्ले गेम विद द हेल्प ऑफ डाइस. सो मैम अब प्ले करेंगे और जो नंबर आएगा वो नंबर वाला कार्ड हम उठाएंगे. हमारा नंबर 1 स्टार्ट होता है यहाँ से. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I have 10 flash cards lying on the table. So now let's play. Start playing. Okay, which number come? 1 2 3. So let's pick number 3 card. 1 2 and 3. Okay, so this is number 3 card. Can you please read this for me? So this is the. Who says the? TH. TH says the and then is. The is this. And in my previous topic, I have told why we use this. We use this for the single thing, and that thing is near to me. Like this is a tree. This is a tree because this tree is near to ma'am and this tree is single. So we use this for the single thing and which is near to us. So this is this. So now दिस हो गया, तो दिस की जगह पे हम कुछ चेंज कर दें. Oh, so let's count 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So 6 नंबर पे 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Which word is this? This is my. My. My dress is very beautiful. I am wearing very beautiful dress. Yeah, my name is Daljit Kaur. What is your name? Okay, so I keep this here and I am replacing my with some another word. Okay, so now let's count 1 2 3 and 4. So let's check 1 2 3 and 4. Oh my God! So this is the, that, the. T, when T and H together, it becomes the at, that, and we use that for the thing which is far away from us. Look, that is a ball and that ball is far away from me, and we use that for the far away thing. Okay, so this is a that. This is that. That is a ball. Okay, so now again 6. So let's check 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Oh, can you please read it for me? This is am. And do you know am हमेशा I के साथ आता है. तो अगर हमने सेंटेंस बनाना है am का, तो we use I. I am a girl. I am writing and I am playing a game. Okay, so now 1. So look, 1. What is this? This is I. I am reading. I am eating. I am sleeping. I go to the market. I हम अपने लिए यूज करते हैं. Fine, we use I for ourselves. Then again number 3. 1 2 and 3. So 1 2 and 3. So 3 नंबर पे आता है YOU. You means आप. हम किसी और से बात कर रहे हैं. You. What are you doing? Tell me. What are you doing? Are you playing? Do you play a football? Fine. Do you play with the football? So you is used for the person who is standing in front of you. Fine. So this is YOU. You. Now 4. 1 2 3 and 4. Let's check 1 2 3 and 4. So this is it. We use it for the animal or the thing. We use it. We are not using it for a boy or a girl or a person. We use it for the animal or a thing. So it is a cat. Yeah, it is on the table. It means कोई चीज या it means animal. Fine. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what is this? He. 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 So he means a boy. He means a boy. So we use he for a boy. Fine. He. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is we. 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 And we use we for all the, for we all. जब हम क्लास में इकट्ठे बैठे होते हैं तो मैम आपसे पूछे व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, तो मैम आप पूरी क्लास से पूछ रहे होते हैं व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, तो पूरी क्लास में हम वी आते हैं, हम सब आते हैं वी में. वी आर रीडिंग द साइट वर्ड्स. ओके, so these are the sight words. You do practice of the sight words